Toddler Learning Time TV.
Ring, ring, 7 says good day. Stretch and smile, up we go to play. Brush, brush, swish, swish, sparkle teeth. Blue brush dancing, water underneath. Blue star shirt from the closet door. Shoes and pants ready to explore. Notebook, pencil, water lunch we pack. Zip, zip, red backpack on my back. Burner, cereal, milk that pours. Happy tummies, adventures and chores. Wave to mom at the open door. Sunny steps bounce on the porch floor. Sidewalk walking, tree shade sway. Counting steps to start the day. Bench and sign at the waiting spot. Backpack straps held nice and taut. Yellow bus hisses, door slide wide. Miss Melody smiles, it's time to ride. Climb right side stairs, driver left in view. Right seat belt click, second row, woohoo! Stop sign, mailbox, green tree glide. Window wonders on our smooth ride. Mia, Leo, Emma wave hello. Giggles bouncing as the bus rolls slow. Mr. A stop, keeps walker safe. Steps down gently to the school gate. Line up neatly by the classroom door. Miss Sunny greets, bright smiles galore. Circle rug time, numbers on the